So how do I price my home right from the start? Pricing your home competitively at the start will create more activity amongst brokers and buyers and lead to a more successful sale. Establishing the value and list price for your property involves researching and comparing similar properties and weighing factors, including location, condition, amenities, and market conditions. We will arrive at a competitive price aimed at generating strong buyer activity. Now, everybody has a different reason that they need to sell their home. Some people need to relocate and need a quick sale. Some people are trying to buy their next home and need to sell their current home in order to buy the next one. Yet, others have inherited a home and they just want to get the best price. There's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all plan. But no matter what your current situation is, you can rest assured that my team is absolutely obsessed with selling your home for the most money possible in the shortest amount of time.